Good day, everyone. We are unboxing the DJI Osmo Nano. Right away, you'll see the packaging looking clean and minimal with that premium DJI design language. Let's see what's in the box. On top, we have the user manuals and some DJI stickers. The manual we don't normally read, but the sticker is something that that is good to have. So here it is, the DJI Osmo Nano. It's extremely compact and lightweight, designed for everyday carry and quick capture. It features a small form camera system that's built for portability, while still delivering a stabilized high-quality video. Despite its size, it feels solid in hand with that familiar DJI build quality. It's clearly made for creators who want something to bring anywhere without compromising usability. We have also the Vision Dock. This acts like an extended control and viewing accessory for the Osmo Nano system. It improves usability and interaction more convenient. The build feels sturdy and it integrates seamlessly with the main unit. It's designed to support a more efficient workflow, especially for users who want better control and monitoring while recording. We also have this hat clip, which allows for hands-free POV recording. It's lightweight, practical, and ideal for capturing stable first-person footage. Next, we have also a magnetic lanyard, provides simple way to secure the device while keeping it easily accessible when needed. We also have the ball joint adapter. This gives more flexibility in mounting options and allows for precise angle adjustments, depending on your shooting setup. You also get a protective case designed to protect the device from scratches and minor impact during storage or travel. And finally, the USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. That's everything included in the DJI Osmo Nano package. Overall, it's a compact and well-designed system focused on portability, ease of use, and practical content creation. Thank you for watching.